Hello guys, I'm back. I miss you too guys, and I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making steamed mackerel tuna guys. This is mackerel tuna, and I already washed it guys. This is salmon, and I already washed the salmon guys. Before I seasoning, I'm going to curry in the middle first. I'm sorry guys, my other hand I have to hold the camera and slow. By the way, thank you so much guys for being patient. Okay, I already carry all of them guys in the side too. I can do seasoning right now. Right now I'm going to add 10 pieces of hazelnut, 8 pieces of garlic, 7 pieces of bell pepper, and 6 pieces of red onions, 2 pieces of tomatoes. I carry all pieces guys. Right now I'm going to blend all the spices. Right now I'm going to put all the spices in the bowl. I already carried tomato and bell pepper guys, and right now I'm going to blend it. Okay, right now I'm going to mix all the spices together. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of beef flavor, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Going to mix it well first guys. And now I'm going to divide into. I'm going to put half in the mackerel tuna. Mix it well first guys. And now the other half I'm going to mix it with the salmon. Mix it well first guys. Okay, I already mixed all of them guys. And right now the mackerel tuna I'm going to wrap it with the banana leaf. I take it 1 pieces of banana leaf. Going to take 1 pieces of tuna. I take some of spicy. I'm going to put it on the top. I'm going to put it all over. Wrap it, and I'm going to close it with a toothpick. You have to close it with a toothpick in the both sides guys. Right now in the both sides I'm going to carry a little bit. Okay, perfect. I'm going to making second one. Do the same thing like the first one. Okay, like that guys. Okay, all done guys. Right now I'm going to wrap it the salmon with the foil paper. I'm going to take pieces of salmon, put in the middle, wrap it in the both side. Close it in the both side. Okay, perfect. All done guys. And now I'm going to steam it all the mackerel tuna guys. I put it number 6 and steam it for 25 minutes guys. Right now I'm going to put all the salmon on the oven. I'm using 400 degrees. Bake it for 25 minutes. Okay, the mackerel tuna is already cooked guys. The salmon too, I'm going to take it out. I'm going to put all of them on the plate. This is all the mackerel tuna guys. And this is the salmon. I'm going to open it right now. This is the salmon. This is the mackerel tuna. Let's see first. It's cooked perfectly guys. I'm going to try first. I'm going to eat with the rice. It is super delicious guys. Thank you guys for watching, and for someone just join my channel, if you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Thank you guys and have a good day. Bye guys.